The NSF Funding Opportunity, Research Experience for Undergraduates, presented by the Office of Sponsored Projects. Announcement details. The Research Experiences for Undergraduate, or REU, program supports active research participation by undergraduate students in any of the areas of research funded by the National Science Foundation. REU projects involve students in meaningful ways in ongoing research programs or in research projects specifically designed for the REU program. The program provides indirect funding for undergraduates to participate in research. This solicitation features two mechanisms for support of student research: REU sites, which are based on independent proposals to initiate and conduct projects that engage a number of students in research. REU sites may be based on a single discipline or academic department, or may offer interdisciplinary or multi-department research opportunities with a coherent intellectual theme. Proposals with an international dimension are welcome. REU supplements. These may be included as a component of proposals for new or renewal NSF grants or cooperative agreements, or may be requested for ongoing NSF-funded research projects. Awards and deadlines. Anticipated types of awards include standard grant, continuing grant, or cooperative agreement. The anticipated funding amount is around $84,140,000. In fiscal year 2023, this estimate included both sites and supplements. The estimated number of awards is between 1,750 and 1,850. This estimate includes approximately 200 new site awards and 1,600 new supplement awards each year. Full proposal deadline. In 2022, the deadline was September 6th, due by 5 p.m., the submitter's local time. Previously, it had been August 25th. Full proposals can be submitted via Fastlane, research.gov, or grants.gov. Letters of intent and preliminary proposal submissions are not required. The anticipated funding amount will be pending the availability of funds. The typical duration is 3 years. A duration of up to 5 years may be allowed in some cases. The typical REU site hosts between 8 and 10 students per year. The typical funding amount is between $80,000 and $130,000 per year. NSF does not dictate a firm upper or lower limit for the amount. Instead, it depends on the number of students hosted and the number of weeks. Recent Smithsonian awards range from $107,000 to $150,000 per year, an average about $548,326 over 4 years, or $123,330 per year. Student responsibilities and evaluations. Students' research projects constitute the core component of an REU site. Evaluation can be in the form of periodic assessment measures throughout the project or pre-project and post-project evaluation. Proposals should address the approach to undergraduate research training being taken and should provide detailed descriptions of examples of research projects that students will pursue. It is highly recommended to have a structured means of tracking participating students beyond graduation, with the aim of gauging how the REU site experience has been a lasting influence in the students' career paths. Past student projects. Impact. Students are often given the chance to publish and present their research. REU projects offer an opportunity to tap the nation's diverse student talent pool and broaden participation in STEM. NSF is particularly interested in increasing the numbers of women and underrepresented minority and persons with disabilities in research. Example: there was a 20% returning rate to STRI of REU interns working as summer research assistants, doing gap year internships, and working on independent projects as short-term fellows or as PhD candidates. Virtual and long-distance learning. In response to COVID-19, program officers have heard from grantees that propose to convert their site to a virtual site with online training modules, online lab visits, mediated virtual research, etc. While not all types of research are suitable for conversion to an online experience, virtual sites may be allowed when the quality of students' experience is maintained and when the virtual research will enable the students to have outcomes similar to the original project design. To extend research opportunities to a larger number of undergraduates, proposers are welcome to incorporate approaches that make use of cyber infrastructure or other advanced technologies that facilitate research, learning, and collaboration over distances, also known as virtual projects. Program structure suggestions. Monday through Thursday, research projects. Friday, lectures, tours, field trips, public outreach, and educator training. Poster sessions prepared by students upon completion. Insights from REU principal investigators. It is incredibly rewarding and a labor of love. Can be life-changing for promising students. Builds rapport with colleagues within your unit. Builds lasting relationships with colleagues and with the students. Create an alumni network of students. at least 20% effort over a year with early spring-summer busy times. On the flip side, internships are short, average 10 weeks, and it can be challenging to get your colleagues to serve as mentors. Recent Smithsonian Awards. The REU cite Global Change Ecology at the Smithsonian Environmental Research Center. The NSF division is the Biological Sciences. Between March 15, 2020 and February 2023, the total amount awarded was $431,853. This award was originally granted for the training of 10 students for 12 weeks during the summers of 2020 to 2022. CERC interns focus on how aspects of global change, including ecosystem conservation, climate change, biological invasions, and altered biodiversity, are changing ecosystem functions. Complex environmental issues require a multidisciplinary approach, and interns are trained in many subfields, including ecology, chemistry, genetics, quantitative ecology, and science communication. The program is a 12-week period of field research, laboratory work, and educational training, including a series of short courses on research skills, scientific communication, responsible research conduct, and STEM careers. An example of a continuing grant is the REU site Research in Astrophysics at the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory. The NSF division is Astronomical Sciences. Between the dates of July 1st, 2021 and June 2024, the amount awarded is $437,026. During the 10-week summer internship, students work with scientists at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, CFA, engaging in professional development activities including computer tutorials, research training seminars, and directed meetings with astrophysicists at all career stages. Students also attend group discussions on the ethical conduct of research, graduate school life, admissions, available fellowships, and career opportunities after graduation. Scientists at the CFA are involved in virtually every area of astrophysics and have access to a large number of modern scientific instruments, so students have a broad range of projects to choose from. Another continuing grant, the REU site Solar Physics at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, part of the NSF division Atmospheric and Geospace Sciences. Between May 1st, 2019 and April of 2023, it has been awarded $601,042. For 10 weeks during the summer, students will carry out individual research projects in solar physics under the supervision of CFA senior staff scientists and engineers at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, CFA. The student projects involve numerical modeling, data analysis from space missions currently being supported at the CFA, such as HINODE, SDO, IRIS, WIND, DISCOVER, and Parker Solar Probe, or engineering projects related to solar instrumentation being built at the CFA. Projects are designed to be part of cutting-edge solar physics research and frequently result in joint professional publications or presentations with their CFA mentors, providing undergraduates with valuable motivation and career development experiences. The REU site Integrative Tropical Biology at the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama is part of the NSF Division of Biological Infrastructure. Between April 15, 2014 and September 30, 2017, they were awarded $339,655. For 10 weeks during the summers of between 2014 and 2017, students conducted research projects that make the connections between genotype, phenotype, and the environment and answer questions about the origins, maintenance, and preservation of biodiversity. Students had the option to study how forests are changing using spectral data from satellites, fixed-wing planes, and drones. The program specifically focused on developing the tools needed to work with the data types that are transforming science across the three themes. Students also participated in a series of workshops, including responsible conduct of research and professional development activities that challenged them to critically think about science and their future careers. The REU site Natural History Research Experiences, part of the NSF Division Ocean Sciences, had a start date of April 1, 2016, and an estimated end date of March 31, 2023. The total amount awarded has been $932,055. This REU program supports 16 students each summer for 10 weeks, during which students conduct independent research focused in geology, biology, and in anthropology, as well as participate in a variety of professional development workshops. The program is designed to support and prepare participants for entry into scientific careers by providing structured counsel on entering graduate school, designing, conducting, and publishing research, and presenting results to the scientific community and the public. Students are given access to the collections, facilities, and intellectual resources of NMNH while they develop a research project in close collaboration with a museum research scientist. In addition, the REU students themselves serve as role models for the museum's Youth Engagement in Science program for minority high school students from the DC-Baltimore area and directly engage the museum in interacting with museum visitors. For more information, you can visit the NSF website at beta.nsf.gov/funding/opportunities/experiences-undergraduates-REU. For current REU sites, you can visit www.nsf.gov/CRSSPRGM/REU_search.cfm. For reference, visit the 2022 full announcement and how to apply at www.nsf.gov/PUBS/20222/NSF22601/NSF22601.pdf. Full proposals are usually due around August 25th each year. For assistance with proposal submission, contact ospmail@si.edu. SAO, contact SPPD office.